What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the verification required error you are getting when trying to download an app from the App Store on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In most cases, this problem is related to your current Apple ID login or payment method. Exit out of the App Store and open up your Settings application. Here, tap on your Apple ID name. Next, select Payment and Shipping. It may take a second to load or require Face ID to allow access to your Apple ID payment information. From here, you have the option to edit your current payment setting and delete your payment information. In case your billing or shipping address differs from your current App Store location, then I also suggest deleting your current addresses. In some cases, you won't be able to delete your payment option, as some items with an outstanding balance or active subscription will hinder the removal of your payment option. In your Apple ID settings, tap on Subscriptions. Here, make sure not to renew any active subscription. You can change this setting back once the payment option has been changed or completely removed. In addition, any other device which uses the same payment method over family sharing, for example, should also be removed in your family sharing settings. Lastly, go ahead and exit out of your settings and return to the App Store app to download and install apps without getting the verification required error. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.